Alright everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, hey, we're in a collab. It's called #Easter Leftovers, and they include these following channels, great channels I might add. Alicia from Best Bites Forever, Lee from Smokin' Bears, GT from GT's Barbecue and Cuisine, Andrea from Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and Risa from Recipes with Risa. And obviously, we're going to use some leftover eggs here. That's going to be next on Cooking with Corey. We'll do the ingredients. All right, we're making a jalapeno popper egg salad. In our lineup for today is some smoked cheddar cheese, some mayonnaise, some whipped cream cheese, some scallion, some mustard, some bacon. Bacon bits, you can cook your bacon. I cheated, I had to work long today. That's what it is. I'm going to put these on these sourdoughs right here, these little sourdough crackers. We got 8 hard-boiled eggs and 1 jalapeno. That'll get us started. Don't forget to go check out all these great channels in this collab. Go check them out. They're all great. Follow the hashtag above my title. Alright, so let's get this masterpiece going here. Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. This is 12 ounces. I'm going to use 1/4 of it. We'll get it right into the bottom there. That goes there. Mayo. From the South, you're going to use Duke's. My favorite Hellman's. Use what you got. 1/4 cup. That'll go right into there like that. Your 1 jalapeno that we chopped up with a Chop-O-Matic there. Go into the mix. Scallions that we chopped up. That's up to you. I'm gonna add a big hefty one like that. Save the rest for garnish. All good. Our smoked cheddar cheese, 2 ounces. Good stuff. This is Applewood smoked cheddar cheese. Use whatever cheese you like, or leave it out. You know, if you don't like cheese, leave it out. I was out of stone ground, so we're just going to use French's regular yellow tablespoon. Don't want to get too crazy with it. The bacon bits I got are 3 ounces. So let's go with 1.5 ounces to start out with and see where we're at here. So we're going to use half of this. Yeah, I think that'll be more than enough. Yep, half's looking good. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Kosher salt and pepper, or sea salt and pepper, whatever your is. And our chopped up egg. I roughly chop mine because, you know, I think it gives it better texture. We're gonna give this a little stir around first and get all that liking each other. I'm gonna get it stirred up, bring it back, and so there we are. And our mixture that we got so far, you know, it's not that runny, which is kind of what I want, because we don't really want a runny egg salad. So we're gonna take our 8 chopped eggs, we're gonna put it in there like so, and we're just gonna kind of fold them over. Try not to destroy everything, but you're gonna have to smush a little bit. You want to get that flavor throughout. Keep kind of gently working that white and that yolk through that filling that you made, so to speak. Right, I'm going to work this for just a little bit more and we'll bring it back. Alright, we worked it over. This is where we're at right now. And it's looking good. I tasted it. It's where we need to be. Oh my gosh, that cheese is coming right through. It is really good right here. Believe it or not, that mustard comes out in the back end of it. It's really good. Nice. It's not runny egg salad. It's wonderful. Jalapeno popper egg salad. Alright, let's plate this bad boy up next. Alright, this plates this up. We got our sourdough crisp bread. Wassa. I don't know. I've never tried this before. It's not that great without anything on it, but it's going to be great when we put our egg salad on it. So here we go. Take one away. We'll take our egg salad. Put a good old, big old dollop on there like that. We'll do both. I don't know why I'm doing two, but I am. I guess because I can. I want you guys to check out everybody else in this collab. Great channels. Follow the hashtag. You'll get there. I'll get some iCards up there for everybody too, hopefully. And we'll go from there. So anyway, here we go. On our Wassa sourdough. We got our egg salad. Looking delicious. Put just a little bit more of our shredded applewood smoked cheddar on there. Just a smidge more of our bacon. Because why not? Because this is a jalapeno popper egg salad. And that's what we want on it. A little bit of scallion. Just for looks and giggles there. Looking good in the neighborhood. Alright, there we got it, folks. Alright, I'm going to take a fancy picture. We'll come back, we'll do a taste test. Alright, let's take a bite out of this bad boy here. Our sourdough Wassa crisp bread. It's looking good. Jalapeno popper egg salad. Once again, the cheese hits you right off the bat. The creaminess of the yolk. Ooh, some jalapeno. Bacon. It's all there. You can definitely make this a sandwich. You can definitely do what you want with this recipe. Make it your own. Tweak it. You can make deviled eggs with this. I mean, you could, whatever. Make it your own. And don't forget to check out everybody in this collab. Like I said, I'll try to have them up into the iCards, and I'll have them down in the description for sure. But I'd like to thank everybody for joining the collab. Alicia, Risa, Lee, GT, Andrea. It was fun. Let's do it again sometime soon. Alright, Cooking with Corey's out. We'll see you next week.